doing?
Bye now.
Watch your hand. Oh, Barno!
No, Lola, no.
She's going to get that way and she's going to get it. Watch your hand. Oh, Barno!
No, Lola, no.
She's going to get that way.
No.
Get it.
She has, she's took it out of the sky.
Try and cover it. Try and cover it if you can.
Get up. Come on, let it go.
You'll have to chuck some down.
Guess that, I've chucked a leg down somewhere. Go on. Here. Go on. Have you got that, Matt?
Yeah. Or something bigger.
Here, pull that. Lola.
I knew she was going to get it because they're slow, aren't they?
Come on, get off it.
That's it. She's coming off.
Go on. I don't know. Yeah. Go on.
Try to kill that, shit.
I don't know.
Yeah, but it'll be very shocked. Where's he? Because he'll come down.
She's killed it.
She ain't killed it.
No. Watch him.
Where is he?
Is it back here?
Where is he? Where?
Here. Grab hold of it.
Where is he?
Is it back here?
Where is he? Where?
The bird up here. He's here.
Grab hold of it, man. Put it back in the bar.
Where is he?
He's up here.
Oh, I don't know, haven't you?
You got it?
Yeah. Alright, I got him.
Does that count as a catch? Yeah. No, you're not having it. Up there in corner.
Which corner?
That one. I didn't even see it till it flew out.
Just leave it on the tree there. That's it, walk away. It'll get up. It's alright, it's just dazed.
Can we put that down on the scoreboard?
Yeah, it's caught it, didn't you?
Yeah, it's caught it.
That was right catch. I knew she was going to have it because
He's slow, aren't he?
she just plucked it clean out of the sky. Good girl.
Pigeon out of the sky. Final out of the sky.
Because we did well there. Fucking dark cloud. Oh, Barno. No.
Another one.
No. Jeez. She's missed it. She's after it. Don't stop, Owl. Don't stop. She's good up on it. She's good up on it. She's there at top of that. We're going to get rained on in a minute. Hopefully that was that one.